Hi everyone, today I'm going to make this delicious vegan pizza. You need 2 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, you can take the instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You have to get half a cup of lukewarm water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, any kind of vegetables as you wish. I have used jalapeno, olives, tomatoes. I have cut the onions like rounds, some sweet corn, and also you need the tomato concentrate. I'm using this Sainsbury's tomato concentrate. However, if you want to use, you can use the fresh tomatoes and put it in the pan and make it like a puree, or even whatever the pasta sauce you have, you can use them as well on top of the dough. Also need vegan mozzarella cheese. We need some vegan butter to put it on the baking tray as well as to put it on the pizza crust. In order to make the yeast, you need to put the 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar along with the half a cup of lukewarm water. Mix it well. Use the airtight lid and leave it for 10 minutes until it gets rising. After 10 minutes of the time, I'm checking my yeast and it's rising. You can see the bubbles like this. Now it's 100% ready. You can put this one in the flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, now you have to mix this well. You can see you need more water. Now you can add 1 tablespoon at a time. Still some flour left. Add another tablespoon of water. To mix the last bit of flour left over, you need another tablespoon of water. Do not add more water, otherwise your dough will be sticky. When the dough is coming to a 1 bowl, you can stop adding water. Now you can put this one on flat surface and we need to start kneading. Now I have transferred the dough onto this plastic lid which I use since it's very comfortable. I'm going to knead now for about 10 minutes. Now you can see dough is like this. When you try to expand, there is a more elasticity. So this is the time you can stop doing the kneading. You can make a bowl and now transfer onto another container. When you put it in the container, you must make sure you put some oil. I have added some oil. You can add some oil on top as well. Now you can close the lid and leave it until the dough gets double sized. Make sure you use the airtight lid. Usually it takes 20 to 30 minutes, depend on the weather. If it's hot weather, then it takes less time. If it's cold, then need more time. I'm using a rectangle tray to do the pizza baking. I'm going to prepare the dough in this particular size. You can apply some grease. Now it's the time to prepare your oven. Before you make your pizza, you need to leave this oven in 225 Celsius to 10 minutes preheat. Then afterwards, you can put the pizza. I have put the fan option and 225 Celsius. I'm going to preheat this one for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare the dough, toppings and make the pizza. After 30 minutes of the time, dough looks like this. Now you can take off the air using the hand. Then your pizza base is ready. Afterward, you can add any topping as you wish. Now I'm going to transfer this dough onto this surface and make slowly size up to here, because this is the same size that I have the tray, so I can get the estimated of the size using this, and then I can transfer this one onto the tray. I'm going to put the dough over here. Now you can adjust, but make sure you do not press on this surface because this has got holes. When you use this type of tray, the pizza will be baked quicker. Do not press, but you can do like this way, the round circle, until you get the round circle. Once you have a round circle, you can do the edges like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vegan butter around. This will give the nice color as well as the taste to the crust. Once you apply, now you can put the tomato puree. I have taken the tomato puree out from that tube. I'm going to apply over here like this. If you do not have the tomato, you can use tomato sauce as well. Now what you have to do is you can put some cheese. I just put some cheese before I add any toppings. Now, if you do not like any toppings, if you put only cheese, you know you can make vegan margarita. Now I'm going to add the toppings. Now you can add the cheese. Now you can put this pizza in the oven 225 Celsius for 12 minutes. I have preheated the oven for 10 minutes. Now you can put this pizza for another 12 minutes. Now the pizza is ready. You can see it has baked properly. Now what you have to do is you have to apply butter onto the crust. This will make the pizza crust soft. I'm going to transfer this onto this board, then I can easily cut this one. You can take the pizza cutter and you can cut it into the pieces as you wish. I will cut this one into 8 pieces. I have cut the pizza into 8 pieces. You can see it looks perfect. This is a very easy and quick recipe. You can put any vegetables, any toppings as you wish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with another vegan recipe. Have a good time.